Explore the future with CCDE, Circular Chemistry in the Digital Era. Stay curious.
Hey there, junior scientists. Today we're diving into the amazing world of water filtration. We'll be building our own water filters and learning how they make water cleaner. Get ready for some hands-on fun as we explore the science behind clean water. Water is essential for life, and clean water is something we should never take for granted. By understanding how water filtration works, we can appreciate the importance of clean water and learn ways to protect this precious resource. So, put on your thinking caps, and let's get started. Before we begin our filtration adventure, let's gather our essential materials. Each item plays a crucial role. Let's take a closer look. First, an empty plastic water bottle to hold everything, scissors to cut the bottle, and activated charcoal to remove impurities. Place sand traps small particles, gravel catches larger debris, and cotton balls act as a final barrier. We'll need dirty water to test our filter. Finally, a large glass jar to collect the filtered water. Each material has a special job, working together to clean the water. Ready to see the magic of water filtration? Let's get started. Now, let's build our filter. This is an exciting project that will teach you about the importance of clean water and how filtration works. Don't worry, it's super easy and fun. You'll be amazed at how simple materials can create something so useful. First, ask an adult to help you carefully cut the top portion off the plastic water bottle. Safety is important, so make sure to use scissors or a knife with adult supervision. Next, layer the materials inside the bottle, starting with a layer of cotton balls at the bottom. The cotton balls will act as the first filter to catch larger particles. On top of the cotton balls, add a layer of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is great for removing impurities and odors from the water. Next comes a layer of clay sand. The sand will help to filter out smaller particles that the cotton balls might have missed, followed by a layer of gravel. The gravel helps to keep the other layers in place and provides additional filtration. Make sure each layer is about 2 to 3 inches deep. This ensures that the water has enough material to pass through for effective filtration. Congratulations! You've just built your very own water filter. Now you can see how each layer works together to clean the water. Great job, everyone! Section 4. Safety first. Protecting ourselves while we experiment. Before we start filtering, remember that safety always comes first in any experiment. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes, and ask an adult for help when using sharp objects like scissors. Science is super cool, but it's important to stay safe while we explore. Section 5. The filtering begins. From murky to marvelous. Now for the exciting part. Let's put our filter to the test. Carefully pour the pitcher of dirty water into the top of your filter. Watch closely as the water slowly trickles down through each layer of the filter. What do you observe? Is the water that comes out of the bottom of the filter cleaner than the water you poured in? You bet it is. The science of clean, how our filter works. Let's dive into the fascinating process of how our water filter provides clean and safe drinking water. Each layer in our filter plays a special role in cleaning the water, working together to remove harmful contaminants and impurities. Cotton balls trap larger dirt and debris, acting as the first line of defense. Activated charcoal absorbs impurities and chemicals crucial for removing substances that affect water quality. Sand and gravel catch smaller particles, ensuring even the smallest impurities are removed. Together, these materials remove dirt and impurities, making the water clear, clean, and safe.